There is no road in the world. There are many people who walk, and it has become a road, grinding mud into dust, turning the rugged road into a smooth road, in our own road. Without hesitation, steadily moving forward in personal independence of conduct. Duhow can. Back when the road, we take special as the core, to focus on making Duhow China's best special tires, becoming the preferred brand of special tires. From 2011 to 2023, we have trekking, pushing forward, more than 10 years of persistence, so that Duhow Rubber has become an area of 1,050 acres with electric tire projects, agricultural radial tire project, industrial tire project, engineering tire project, special tire professional manufacturer. We uphold the dare first, dare to innovate, dare to research Duhow spirit. The company is equipped with domestic off-highway tire production, leading molding machine, vulcanizing machine and other equipment. The company has more than 700 employees, including nearly 100 management team, professional and technical personnel, and more than 20 sales team, to build a product pattern with electric motorcycle tires, industrial vehicle tires, engineering tires, agricultural tires, ATV tires, light truck tires, solid tires as the core competitiveness. To lead the way to promote the development of the special tire industry. Know the heavy burden, there is a long way to go. We uphold the mission of making special tires with Chinese core and creating a world-class Chinese brand, and strive to right the special tire industry. The answer sheet of the era from made in China to intelligent manufacturing in China. The products have passed IATF 169492016 Quality Management System Certification, National 3C Certification, ISO 140012015 Environmental System Certification, European ECE Certification and American DOT Certification, and with absolute strength, become one of the national standards of bias tire formulation units. We have a perfect pre-sales and after-sales system to help customers provide the best special tire customization program, to bring customers the whole process of thoughtful service experience. With excellent performance, we have won the honorary titles of National High-Tech SMES, Jiangsu High Performance Rubber Tire Engineering Technology Research Center, Jiangsu Province Recognized Enterprise Technology Center, and reached long-term strategic cooperation with Double Coin Holdings, Sany Heavy Industry, Lugong Machinery, and other outstanding enterprises. Products are exported to the United States, India, Southeast Asia, Middle East and South America and other parts of the world. The new Chi Xiong factory will be put into use. The overseas Thailand branch is also in full swing construction. Looking back at the footprints to witness our growth all the way. Looking forward, there is a longer road to take us to explore and lead. Adhere to the value of customers, common development with employees, for the great mission of social benefits. Duhow Rubber will be leading the wisdom of the times to make China core special tires, create a world-class Chinese brand, and gallop on the road of glory belonging to Duhow, leading the future.